Wherever you go in Microsoft Teams, the command box is always there at the top of the screen to help you search, take quick actions, or launch apps. To search for a message, person, channel, or file anywhere in Teams, just type what you're looking for into the box. Pick one of the suggestions from the list, or hit Enter to see more results on the left. Slash commands help you perform tasks without breaking your flow. Type a slash to see a list of commands and descriptions. Pick the one you want, or just type it. To call someone, type /call. Then press Tab, and select or type the name of the person you want to call. Type /files to search and open a file. With the command, you can send a message to someone without moving away from what you're working on. Type the symbol and the person's name in the box. Write a message and press Enter to send it. Some apps can be launched directly from the box once they're installed. For example, type @weather and a city name to get the latest weather report. With the command box, Teams is at your command.